Hello, my name is Bianca, and I'd like to introduce you to my project, which is called Proposal of Awareness Campaign about the correct use of antibiotics for different target audiences. The project advisor is Humberto Madeira, from the major of Biotechnology, the modality Araucária, in the campus Curitiba. So to introduce the problem of the antimicrobial resistance and the misuse of antibiotics. Some people might think this is a problem only in hospitals, for example, but it follows us in many aspects of our life in one health, in what we eat, in the animals, in the environment, in the consequences of it are shown, for example, in statistics like this, that like Jim Moneo estimated by 2015, 10 million deaths might occur per year due to antimicrobial resistance. And according to the World Bank Group, by 2030, $1 billion might be spent per year due to this problematic too. So the objective of this study is to plan and structure awareness campaigns about the proper use of antibiotics and antimicrobial resistance between the target audiences of healthcare professionals and also high school students. This is all based on a pilot campaign carried out within students of the School of Medicine and Life Sciences of PUCPR. So we started analyzing previous data from the pilot study and then studying the target audiences, both of them, and then elaborating a questionnaire that will be applied. And then, with the gaps identified in the knowledge of the target audiences in this questionnaire, we will build a more strong content for the campaign. I have already built previous campaign content, but it might be adjusted as the knowledge of the target audiences. So here's an example of questionnaire. This one is meant for the students. It have a more simple language and also focus on habits. For example, we have demographic, prescription, comportamental knowledge, and One Health uh, separations. And this one is for the healthcare professionals, which is more technique and specific within the area. This is an example of content of the campaign. This is a folder meant to the students. They start with the basics. For example, what are bacteria? What are antibiotics? How do they work? Why do not they work for viruses infections? And this one is meant for the healthcare professionals, where we are more direct. And what is the problem? Where is the solution? What should they know about it? And based on the gaps that will be noticed in the questionnaire, there are some recommendations for future work in project, also based in the pilot study. For example, online content and physical too, like podcasts, posts on social media, and sites, websites. And in further remarks, that promoting awareness about among different target audiences contributes to the democratization of access to public knowledge about the proper use of antibiotics and antimicrobial resistance, and the understanding of the threat that the antimicrobial resistance poses globally to one health. We need people to have this thought that this is a global problem, but it's also a problem in my life, in your life, and we all are part of the solution. Thank you very much.